If you want to become a millionaire using the stock market, then this video is for you. This is the no BS, no frills version. I'm in my dressing gown. It's Friday morning. I'm in my office. Let's get straight to it, right? And I'm not going to give you the spiel that a lot of content creators are giving you around invest in an ETF, you'll get rich at 65 or 70. Because let's be frank, at that age, you won't even be able to get into the supercar that you want to buy. And I'm just saying how it is. I don't care how that comes across. Now, I'm going to be talking about the approach that I took, right? Because a lot of people have it in their mind that investing in individual stocks is super risky, right? And you're going to lose all your money. And it's effectively like gambling. Investing in individual stocks is like going to the casino and putting everything on red or everything on black on the roulette wheel. And I'm here to tell you that that is simply not true, right? Now, if you know what you're doing and you understand how to properly research these companies and you have a big enough time horizon. Now, I'm not talking about a crazy time horizon where you need 40 years to make millions. I'm talking about a 5 to 10 year time horizon. That for me is a sweet spot, right? A lot of the money that I've made in the stock market from investing in individual stocks has happened between year 5 and year 10. So if you have a 10-year time frame, that is where you can get really aggressive and you can make a lot of money. By the way, none of this is financial advice. Please do your own research. I'm not telling you what to do. I'm just telling you what's worked for me. Now, once you've identified that 10-year time frame, all you need, and this is going to sound easy, but it's not easy, but all you need is a couple of fantastic years. Now, everyone talks about the stock market, and last year was incredible. We had S&P 500 did 17% last year. Google did 70%. Nvidia did 40%. Rocket Lab did 250%. AST Space Mobile did 200%. You just need a few of those good years and to have your money compounding in those positions for you to hit a million. I turned £6,700 that I invested in 2021 into over £100,000 in under 6 years. There's so many different stocks that have done that over the last year, right? The likes of SanDisk, the likes of Micron, AST Space Mobile, even though it's come down a lot now. Rocket Lab, even though it's come down a lot now. Nvidia, Google. Google was like $180 last year. So there's many different positions here. And, people are going to come for me and say, oh, yeah, but you don't know when it's going to happen. How do you predict these things? You just don't know. The fact is, you have to be in it to win it, right? So when you're observing this every single day, when you're digesting these companies every single day, you are in it, right? You're in amongst it. Now, you might not hit on everything, right? You might get stocks that stagnate. You might get stocks that don't do that well. And that's where position sizing comes in. So for me, for example, 80% of my portfolio is in blue chip stocks. I'm not taking crazy risks on speculative stocks, but you don't need to, because you can have those speculative plays that go absolutely bonkers. For example, I invested in Rocket Lab at $5.96. I invested in AST Space Mobile at $10.86. You have to get into these positions and be aware of them before they hit the mainstream. So you have to be willing to put the work in and put yourself out there before everyone else on social media is talking about it. I was talking about Rocket Lab when it was in the teens. I was talking about AST Space Mobile when it was in the teens and low 20s. You can go back on my TikTok account and look at my videos from 2024. You'll see it. So it's not impossible to become a millionaire through investing in individual stocks, but you have to be willing to put the work in. But the fact is, in my opinion, the odds are stacked in your favor because you only need a few fantastic years, right? Think about the compounding effect. You hit a 200%, you hit a 40%, you hit a 30%, you hit a 10%. You hit a 50%. How many times do you need to do that before you turn a couple of tens of thousands of pounds or a couple of thousands of pounds into £1 million? It's very realistic, especially in the market that we're seeing nowadays, for you to be able to do that within 10 years. If you know what you're doing and if you're willing to take risks on asymmetrical stocks, right? And look, I'm not trying to sugarcoat it. That is a lot harder than it seems or that it sounds. But it's not impossible. And there's people out here that are doing it. So I just want to be someone who counteracts the rhetoric around the only way to get rich in the stock market is to invest in ETFs. You'll only be a millionaire when you're 65, 70. Because quite frankly, I don't want to be a millionaire when I'm 65 or 70. I want to enjoy my money right now, right? I want to get into them supercars right now. I want to be in them spots right now. And it's not because I think I'm better than anyone. It's just if you had the optionality and it was become a millionaire at 65 or become a millionaire in my late 30s or early 40s, I would much rather pick late 30s and early 40s. Enjoy it while you can because we're not going to be here forever. So that's my 2 cents on it. Look, some people might call me, someone who's a little bit too optimistic, or some people might say I'm lucky because of my experience I've had in the stock market. But I'm only ever talking from my experience. I'm not telling you to do anything that I personally don't do myself. So look, if you found this useful and you want to see more stuff like this, more raw edits, just me straight hitting it at the camera, Let me know. I'm happy to do this on my TikTok. I want to get back to more kind of thought-provoking, just raw shoots. So yeah, let me know. Let me know your thoughts. Let me know in the comments, and let's get a dialogue going. But yeah, have a good day.